guys, welcome back to SBEaesthetics. How are you guys? I am busy today. I'm kind of running behind, but I'm trying to get to the spa. Today I have like 4 appointments today, so I'm gonna go set up. Today's video will be a day in the life of an esthetician on how I clean up everything after the service and stuff. So I'm going to be taking you guys on a ride with me as far as how I clean up and other little things that I do in between. So if you like this video, make sure you stay tuned. Channel, I show you guys everyday makeup looks, special occasion makeup looks, skincare tips and advice, and all about being an esthetician. So if this is something that you like, or if you're an aspiring esthetician or makeup artist, this channel is for you. I have a couple of appointments today. I have a chin and lip wax and eyebrow wax today. I have 2 of those, and then a custom facial, and I'm looking at my calendar, y'all, sorry. And then I have another wax today. I'm gonna show you guys how I clean up, like basically after a service. And then I'm just gonna take you guys with me. I forgot to get some coffee because I was running late today. Client should be coming any moment here, my first client. 9 o'clock is past, it's about 9:05, so I gotta see where she at. Oh, this is her right now. Okay, you guys. Okay, so I'm just quickly getting on here to just let you guys know I'm waiting for my other appointment to come in. She should be coming. I got my mask on because I don't want to keep taking it on and off. Okay, hey. I got some little waxing stuff set up here. So yeah, that's what we're doing. And I'll get back with you guys. Over. Okay. Bye. Hey, you guys. Welcome back. So I'm back and just got done with my service, and your girl is kind of not tired. Well, I guess I am tired, but I need some coffee. It's about 12 something. I have morning services. It's about 12 something. I have one more service at 5 p.m. But I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you guys how I break down, how I basically like clean up, you know, clean up after a service. I was gonna clean up now, but like I need my coffee, so I'm gonna like go get the coffee real quick so I can be able to talk to you guys. And then I need my what do you call that, tripod. Is that what it's called? The little stand? Y'all know what I mean. I need the stand thing, so we gonna be right back. Oh, it's kind of nice out. I actually like it, yeah. Oh, I could get used to filming. So I'll be right back. When I pull up to Starbucks, I'll be back. Okay guys, so I just pulled up to Starbucks, as you guys can see. And I'm gonna try to see what I want, cause your girl needs some dang coffee, okay? Oh, I just don't know what I want. I have to see. I know it's kind of hard to see me. Hold on.
Thank you for choosing Starbucks. My name is Rachel. Order whenever you're ready.
Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Is the brown sugar oat milk, is that sweet?
It's not super sweet, but there is our brown sugar syrup in there and some cinnamon powder.
Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, let's try that. And
okay, yeah, we'll try it.
A grande.
Perfect. Anything else for you?
Nope, that's it.
Perfect. $5.98. Thank you.
Thank you. So I always get to, I told myself I was just gonna do black coffee, y'all, but, and don't get me wrong, I love my black coffee, but sometimes I be wanting, cause I'm trying to like fast, I'm trying to be like on this little diet, and it's kind of tough sometimes. So I'm gonna grab my coffee. I'm pulling up. I'm gonna grab my coffee, and I'll be right back with you guys. I got my Starbucks. This is the setup and stuff. I have to like clean up and put up. It kind of got messy. I mean, well, it get messy when you do a service. That's why you have to clean up, sanitize, and do all the above. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and clean up. I'm gonna be cleaning up this stuff right here, just putting things back. I just got done doing a custom signature facial, which comes with a double cleansing, a massage, extractions, and 2 masks, and a hand massage. I just went on ahead and put these gloves on, sanitize my hand, put the gloves on, and we gonna start. I like to use wipes. These are the great value ones because your girl be trying to be on a budget. Disinfectant wipes. Now what happened to my spray? I have my Cavicide mixture in here to clean things. So I like to start off with, I'll take a wipe first. Okay, running kind of low. So I kind of got to dig in there to grab one. And then, yeah. Take one of these, right? Spray some Cavicide on there. And then I'll just wipe everything down. I'll wipe everything down. If I may have touched it during the service, I'll wipe it down. Even if I didn't touch it, I still wipe it down. If it's out, you gotta get wiped. So you just make sure you wipe the handle part. Oh no, that don't go in there. Oh, maybe that doesn't have one. Okay. Put the lid. Oh. This part right here. I'm wiping everything down. So yeah, guys, you want to make sure that you wipe down, disinfect, and sanitize. Periodically, I'll go in and spray just because I feel like sometimes, you know, that juice be going away, so you just need to spray a little bit more. Just wipe everything down. I love the smell of Cavicide too. I don't know if that's weird, but it dang sure have a good smell, y'all. It really does. So sometimes, like when you don't know that you have something else that you're doing, like a client might ask something during the service, and sometimes you have to go and get the products. They're not like out and ready to go. So you have to touch them in the midst of it. That's okay. This is why we wipe and disinfect, because stuff like that happens, you know. And then it's smart too, because like, let's say that you did have everything ready, set, like squeezed into a container and stuff, and then your client don't show. What are you gonna do with the rest of those products? Use them on yourself? Yeah, that's what I do most of the time, but I kind of go away from doing that because you waste product. So I kind of like to do it as the client is here, probably masking. Once I do the cleansing and stuff and I get the mask on, then I start to like put everything together. You always want to make sure you wipe everything. Anything that you touch, anything that's out, just wipe it down. Sanitize it, wipe it down. So I'm just gonna put the stuff that I sanitized up in the cabinet. So as you guys see, I have a big bowl. I need to get 2 more of these ones because my clientele is starting to pick up. So I'll, like, if I'm busy, I'll alternate with the 2, clean them, sanitize them. But I'm gonna get, I like the smaller bowls better. What I love about this bowl is when I'm done, I can put all my used towels in there, because I don't have a washer and dryer here, of course. So you gotta, you know, you wanna just keep wet items with wet items, and that's kind of like how I like to do. Keep everything that's wet together. And then I'm gonna go ahead and pour this out in the sink. and I'll clean that. So most of my utensils, if I use anything, I take those with me because I have water here, but I have a portable sink. And if you guys want me to talk more about my portable sink, because I mean, nowadays, like if you have a suite or a studio with a sink, you know, it's kind of pricey renting that, or at least in that building or that spot out. So I just thought like, okay, I don't have a sink and I need one. Yes, I paid a good penny for it, but it's been worth it ever since. Like, I have a sink. So if you guys want to know more about this portable sink that I have, drop the comments down below and I'll let you know. Let's move on. Anything that I use that's disposable, I throw it in the trash. And you guys, my trash is getting pretty thick. So I have some other stuff I use. I need to wipe that off. So yeah, keep in mind, like if you are thinking about becoming an esthetician, don't be discouraged if you find a place that doesn't have a sink. Like I said again, I didn't have a sink, but I bought me a sink. So I'm just saying. And I really just use that sink for filling up my steam water, washing my hands, and getting water for facials. That's it. Like, no, like somebody need to wash their hands, they need to go to the bathroom. Okay, because I need my water because I have to buy water. So I'm gonna get a new wipe. So I do alternate. When it comes down to wiping off products, I like to double disinfect. So I use the spray and disinfectant wipes, but when it comes to like wiping down countertops and stuff, I'll just use a paper towel and spray. I'll make sure I get it saturated too, because that's just how I am. Keep in mind too, like this Cavicide, I just ordered some Barbicide, I think that's how you pronounce it. I like this too, but I ordered some of that as well, and I ordered some Cavicide wipes. Sometimes when this stuff touches surfaces, it can stain it, so be careful, be mindful of that. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to be wiping my counters off. Again, I wipe my counters off after each service, but I'm showing you guys how I do this. Also, I always lay a paper towel down to put all my items on top of the paper towel that I'm going to use during that service. Any disposable items go on that paper towel as well, just to stop the transmission of any bacteria or spreading of any bacteria. We're done disinfecting this area. I'll just show you guys. We got all that cleaned, disinfected. Looking good to y'all. Looking good to me. Let's move on. So here you see we got the bed and stuff, so I'm gonna show y'all what to do with that. All right, so you guys might not be able to see me, but that's okay. It ain't about me, it's about what you see and how you do what you do. So these towels, for the face towels, I just fold, wrap like that, and I put them over here in that bowl, as you guys see me right there. The covers, I'll take the covers. I usually have 2 covers, so I take them and then I roll them, right? Roll, and I'm gonna roll all the way down. And put them right there. I put everything in this bowl area. One hand. We're gonna take this and we're gonna clean our little steamer. We're gonna take that spray, really get that baby saturated, right? Take the spray, we're gonna wipe down the pole, this part you really wanna wipe down because you gotta adjust it for your client. Wipe it down, y'all know I like to dance. Hey, go. Okay. I use this a lot when I'm doing extractions, looking at the skin. So we're gonna push her back in her home place, which is right against the wall. But I'm only doing a little bit of space here. You know, I have a nice decent sized space. All right, throw this away, get some hand sanitizer because I'm about to make this better. Hey. Anyway, move on. So we wipe the steamer down. We're gonna move on to the bed. So I'm gonna be doing another makeup look. Let me know if y'all wanna see me do an all red makeup look or an all orange. Let me know. It's those colors, but it's a soft glow. So don't get scared when I say orange or red, okay? Then at the bottom of the bed, up under the bed, I have this little roller, and it's like for waxing. Like when I do my Brazilians, I lay this out as well, but I also lay it out when I'm doing waxing. Okay, I want to make note of something. If you are an esthetician like me, or if you're just wondering, when you're doing a wax and if you have sheets on the bed like this, I have this little protector, this little cloth roll for waxing. If you're concerned, like if it's muddy outside, I'm going to probably order something from Walmart, some little plastic. I think I have some here. But if you don't have something to protect your sheets at the bottom of the bed, your sheets could get stained with like mud or something. So just be mindful of that. Like, make sure you get something to protect the edge, the top of where the feet go, because sometimes things get stained. Okay, so this is the bowl I use for facials and stuff. I'm gonna take this with me and clean it. Again, I don't clean in my sink, that's over here. So make sure water is out. I'll take that with me as well. I'll put all that right over there in that area. She is so stuffed. Look at her. Look at all that trash I got. I gotta empty her out. So we about to empty her out because she is loaded. Like, girl, I've been doing a lot of waxing. Ugh. So this is the trash. Wax. Be right back. So we're gonna take a bag from the trash can. Oh, this is, I think, so I need to reload. So we just take a bag and we use it like this, right? We're gonna keep her right here. Okay, you guys, so that completes it. Got the bed made for my next appointment. I got that laid out for wax. But everything is cleaned up. Trash can is emptied. Everything is clean. This stuff over here I'm going to take with me, wash it, disinfect, laundry and all that. There's my sink. Let me know if you guys want me to do a video on that. So like once I get done washing my stuff and cleaning it, washing it, sanitizing it, disinfecting, I put it, this is the sterilizer. So once you do all that, you put your items in here, you know, to really kill the germs. And that's that. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up and share the video because it helps with me on YouTube. So be sure to do that, you know. And it appears to seem like you guys like these videos because I done got some new subscribers. So thank you. I'm a small subscriber, y'all. Subscribe. You know, I'm trying to eat like y'all. You know, I'm trying to be a part of the team. So help me get there. Each one teach one. One sister from another to another. So, okay. Well, see you guys later. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Ciao.